Hi all, in this short video I would like to show you how you can create coloring books in a very easy way with ChatGPT-4, or it's better to say with the coloring book hero. So this is what you have to do. You have the ChatGPT-4 or the ChatGPT Plus subscription, and then you have this icon, Explore. Click this. And then you get different GPTs, and in this case I have recently used the coloring book hero. If you do not see it on your window, go down and maybe it's already there. If it's not there, you can load more of these GPTs and then you will find it. So click on this coloring book hero. This is for generating coloring books. Then a new window opens, and then you can put into everything you would like to put into. For instance, create an image for a coloring book for children with a lion. And then the coloring book hero is creating this image. So I have already done this. I have two examples for you. One is an coloring book for children with animals in the zoo. Oh yeah, you can already see here's the lion, and your child or a child can color this now. So like I said, I have two different examples. One is a animals of the zoo coloring book for children, and a mandala coloring book for adults. So I click this here. I have this done with the coloring book hero, and here you can see the prompt I used for this. I would like to publish a coloring book for children on Amazon's website, and the images should be about animals you will find in a zoo. And first make me the front page, and then we will do the different animals. And then I have created the images. This will take 30 to 60 seconds or a minute, 2 minutes per image. So I have already done this. That is because I don't want you to lose time. So here we have the front page. This is really nice. Then ChatGPT, or in this case the coloring book hero, is asking me, okay, what animals do you want me to generate? Then I have, for instance, yeah, a lion or an elephant, and so on and so on. You can also put into a request for the page size. In my case, it's the A4. So, and the other example is the mandala coloring book for adults. In this case, the prompt is again, I would like to publish a coloring book for adults on Amazon's website, and the images should be about mandalas. And first give me a front page of the book, and afterwards I would like to get 10 different mandalas. In this case, he gives me this mandala from the front page, and then it gives me 10 different mandala designs in one page. I did not want this. I wanted 10 different pages, and for every page one mandala. And then I told him this, and then it's working again. It's creating the first mandala design, then please proceed with the next mandala, and so on. And so this coloring book hero is a really easy way to create this coloring books. You can use it for your private stuff, and so on and so on. If you like to color such things, then you can do it in this way really easy. So thank you.